Got another operator here. Heck, he's doing better than I was. That's a good thing. We're just gonna take and move this next to the engine over there. Yeah, this is another good thing about this machine. You know, you can get a younger person to learn on this versus learning on a $30,000-$40,000 rig. You know, if something goes haywire, it's not that big of a deal. Perfect, look at that, shoot. Helps to have two people. There we go, look at this. You got the engine sitting here. And I was gonna mention too, because Jax is gonna start working on this, pull off the headers and stuff like that, and pull off the pull up the injectors and whatnot. And he's gonna start going through this, and any help he needs. You know, obviously Andy's in our back pocket to give us some insight. And then here's the parts that we need to pull out and go through. Drop the forks right here, and then we're gonna put the forks in the bucket and put the bucket on the Mini. So you can just dump the forks right here. I'm gonna put this on the stand and give him a hand. Yeah, it's just so much quicker and more efficient when you got two people, I tell you. Yeah, just reiterate what you guys already know. Just what this machine is capable of and what it does for all the stuff that we do is just awesome. Another successful mini skid operation. We'll see you in the next one. J-Bros out. Yeah, right now we got a light set up and we're just gonna start popping the headers here, and we've got sorting containers right here so we can keep organized, because we're not pros, so we don't remember the parts like Andy does. But yeah, that's kind of where we're starting and getting set up. Another good thing about videoing this is then we can go back and know how it looked before and what we did. Right now this screw for the engine oil, because we're going to put that one back in, it's super tight. But yeah, this is, we're going to go ahead and probably just get this one open up and see how we're going to box that up. Yeah, one of the things that Jax was messing with last night here, after we got done cleaning all this stuff up, because if you remember how messy it was in here, now the CRT's kind of got our little resting spots. Still need to get those parts labeled out, marked out, but once I get that shop down below, I'll be able to get these parts labeled out and distributed down there. But yeah, looking pretty good in here. Like I said, I need to get that mezzanine to where I need it. But yeah, I thought it was kind of cool that Jax just started diving into this, and we'll probably just do a full rebuild video on this for the people that are interested in a 7.3 engine. And you know, one of the main reasons why we didn't go this route with it still in my truck is we just didn't know exactly what we were going to get ourselves into, and I kind of wanted my truck, you know, back in action as soon as possible, because we could be sitting on just a really decent engine here, and it could be just as simple as the injectors. But 50-50 on what that is. But like I said, Jackson's been messing around with that, so I thought that was kind of cool. But yeah, like I said, we got a few other things to get rolling here and whatnot. But yeah, a little bit of everything. I would say by the end of this month, we're going to be seeing mega progress, mega results, and really should be primed for this coming season and just be organized. So that's the MO around here. But that's all I got for you right now. J-Bros out.